What is ROS? ROS is a secure gateway to a wide range of revenue online services. Using ROS, you can file a return, make a payment, and much more. Who is ROS for? ROS is for businesses, tax agents, and solicitors. ROS is also for individuals who are registered for a business-related tax. Some examples are income tax, value-added tax, relevant contracts tax. If you are not registered for a business tax, please use the My Account service for individuals. What is a ROS digital certificate? ROS security is based on a digital certificate. It is a p12.bac file you download and save on your computer or mobile device. You give your certificate a name and a password when you download it. You need access to the certificate and the password to log on to ROS. How do I get a ROS digital certificate? You need to register for ROS to get a ROS digital certificate. You should keep your digital certificate safe. If you lose your digital certificate or your password, you can apply for a new certificate. There is a Reset ROS Login option, or you may need to contact us. For more information or help, we have step-by-step instructions at ROS Help on www.revenue.ie. If you need to contact us, search for ROS Help Desk on www.revenue.ie.